Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to guide you through how to recover your Microsoft account if you have deleted the Authenticator app or lost your phone. This process is straightforward, so let's jump right into it. The first thing you need to know is that recovering this through your phone is often a nightmare of endless loops. It is much faster to do this on a PC. Open your favorite web browser on your computer and head over to account.microsoft.com. Click the Sign In button and enter your username. If you have passwordless sign-in turned on and can't use the app, or if you simply can't get the code, click on Other Ways to Sign In or Forgot Password immediately. Select a different verification method to bypass the missing app. Choose to receive a code via your registered phone number, or SMS, or your recovery email address instead. Note, if you have two-step verification turned on, you might need to verify both your phone number and your recovery email to reset your password successfully. Now, here is a common glitch. Even after resetting your password, Microsoft might still ask for the Authenticator app because your browser remembers the old preference. If you get stuck in this loop, open a new incognito or private window in your browser. Go back to account.microsoft.com and log in with your new password. When it asks for verification, you should now see a link that says Show More Options or I can't use my Microsoft Authenticator app right now. Click that and select your phone number or email to get the code. Enter the code and you should finally be logged into your dashboard. Once you're inside, you must clean up your settings so this doesn't happen again next time you log in. Click on the Security tab at the top of the dashboard. Select Manage How I Sign In or Advanced Security Options. Scroll down to the Microsoft Authenticator section. Click Remove next to the old device that you no longer have. Now click Add a new way to sign in or verify and set up a simpler method like a PIN, a Windows Hello passkey, or just re-add the Authenticator app on your new phone. And that's it. You now know how to bypass the missing Authenticator app and regain full control of your account. I hope you found this guide helpful. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and take care.